Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Debbie, and if you are not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Click that button down below and subscribe. I would really appreciate it. Also, please don't forget to click that bell and turn on your post notifications so you can get notified of any future videos. Alright you guys, so as you can see, I have my brows already filled in, my eyes are prepped and ready, my lashes are on, which is crazy. I never really do that, but today I have a tinted hydrator. So this right here is the Wet n Wild Bare Focus Tinted Hydrator. This has hyaluronic acid and squalene, oil-free, and it is sheer to medium coverage. So this is what it looks like. I did tell you guys that I was going to try another tinted moisturizer, but this is a tinted hydrator. So let's see what it says. This oil-free perfector delivers hydrating benefits in a buildable sheer to medium tint for a flawless, softly luminous complexion. Hyaluronic acid and plant-derived squalene help promote healthy-looking, supple, moisturized skin. So let's see how this is going to work out. As for the shade, they didn't really have that many on the Ulta website, so I think they had about 5, and to be honest, it wasn't the best. This one is medium tan, and if you look at this, this is not medium tan. This is like super duper light, and I'm hoping that it's going to match me. But hold on, I was so excited to jump into the video, as you can see, that I forgot to tell you that I also got a primer. So rewind. Okay, we're gonna go in with the Milani Chill Out Soothing Primer, Wild Oat Extract and Ceramides, silicone free. It's supposed to blur imperfection, all skin tones, extends makeup wear. So this is what it looks like. We're gonna go in with this first. I did moisturize already, but we're gonna go in with this first because I always go in with a primer. So me jumping right in with the tinted hydrator was not what I would normally do. So this doesn't really smell like anything. It does look like it says silicone free, but it does feel like look like silicone when it comes out. Let me show you. See? That's what it looks like. And as soon as you kind of melt it in, you know, rub it between your fingers, it melts and it feels more like a cream, kind of cooling. So hence the name of it that says chill out. So it is a little chill, like it feels a little cooling to the skin, which is kind of cool. All right, so now that that's done, we're gonna go in with the tinted hydrator. I really hope that this is going to match me and not make me look like I have really pale skin. So I am rubbing it. Let me put my little hairs back. I'm gonna rub it in with my fingers first and see. And I hate using my fingers, but I figured since it's a tinted, I don't know, a hydrator, tinted hydrator, but I would say it's like a tinted moisturizer. It's gonna be 0 coverage. So I'm gonna go in with a brush on the right side real quick. So I'm going to be using what brush is this? This is the e.l.f. Ultimate Blending Brush. And let's see how this is going to work out for me. So the shade is not terrible, but like I said, this is not supposed to give you like a lot of coverage. Yeah, like I could still see a lot peeking through. And the shade, I mean, it's not making me look super white, but like, you know, like super duper pale. But that's what we have. Now I'm just gonna grab my e.l.f. sponge. I'm just gonna try to get as much water out of it as possible, and now I'm just going to blend it out with the sponge on the left side. And honestly, I feel like it's the same coverage on both sides. This side is the brush, this side is the sponge, and I mean, I actually do like this. I'm not gonna lie. I do like the way it feels. I like the way it looks. I mean, like I said, in my previous video when I tried out the other tinted moisturizer, which was the ColourPop one, and I actually grew to like that a lot. So I've been using that a lot, like literally every day, and I do like it. So this right here, I feel like I'm definitely going to need concealer to get more coverage, but I don't hate it. I do like it. It's very comfortable, and you guys saw I only went in with a little bit, and it's very inexpensive, you guys. It is, I believe, $5.99, $5, something like that, but it's very affordable. And I mean, if you need something to just even out your skin tone the way it did for me, I mean, it looks really, it did a good job, I'm not gonna lie. It looks good. Let me add a little bit on my forehead. I always not forget, but I don't put too much product on my forehead, but we want to even that out, just, you know. And the shade isn't terrible, the shade range is. So Wet n Wild, you guys need to kind of get it together and add more shades to this, because I'm sure there's a couple of other people out there that want an affordable, everyday tinted hydrator, as you guys call it. So I definitely recommend you guys looking into that, because we can make that happen. Well, you guys can make that happen, not we, but you. Yeah, I'm just suggesting it, but I like it. I do. All right, let me stop saying that, because you guys already know that I like it. So we're gonna continue. I am going to go in with some concealer. This is the e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer, and this one is in the shade Medium Sand. This is for sure gonna give me the extra coverage that I want. I'm just gonna go in and blend out my concealer. I am going to continue as I normally do with my everyday makeup. I am going to go in with a cream bronzer. This is the Makeup Revolution foundation stick in the shade F13. I am going to add a little bit of this. I'm going to go in with my e.l.f. brush. Now to set my under eye, I'm going to go in with my e.l.f. Halo Glow Setting Powder. Like I said, I'm going to do what I normally do, just to see how everything looks and how everything wears. I'm going to go in with the Essence Sun Club Matte Bronzing Powder. This one right here is in the shade Sunny. So I'm going to use that to just go over the cream bronzer that I used. And everything still looks very natural, so I'm trying to keep that. And look at that, this is perfect. This is definitely still going with that like very natural vibe. Look at that, everything looks really good. Everything's blending nicely on top of the tinted hydrator. Very comfortable. I like it a lot. Like, I actually really do. You guys are gonna be like, girl, we get it, you like it. Yes, I do. But look, it makes my skin look really good. I'm not mad at it. I mean, you can still see a lot peeking through. If I wanted to, I could have went a little heavier with the concealer, or just went in with maybe like the Tarte Shape Tape for, you know, fuller coverage. But I mean, it looks really good. It looks healthy. Like, it's a nice glow. Do you see that? I really appreciate that. And really, like, a little bit of it went a long way. So I think the best way to apply it is blending it out with your finger. As much as I hate using my fingers, I'm going to blend it out just so I can get this, you know, spread it out nicely where I want it. And then your choice of a very, very damp sponge, like barely anything on, like barely wet, you know what I mean? And this brush right here worked beautifully, as you saw. So brush or sponge, I think it would look really, really good. And yeah, like I really do like it. So let's continue. I'm gonna go in with my Catrice Sungasm highlighter. Apply a little bit of that, because you know, I like a little bit of a highlight. Add a little bit of that to the brow bone. There we go. And I'm gonna go in with the Morphe 35S Sweet Oasis palette for you guys today. I just did a look using this while reviewing the palette for the first time the other day, and that video should be up at this time, so if you guys haven't seen it, go check it out. So today, since this is more of like an everyday simple eye look, well, makeup look, I am going to be grabbing this brush here. This is the Sigma Taper Blending E40, and it has stuff on it. Oh, that's lotion. Ah! Is it dry? I don't want it to mess up my eyes. Okay, it's good. All right, so I am gonna go in with this shade. This is called Sandbar, which is this one here. And I'm just going to apply that right here in the crease. Perfect for every day, actually. This is like the one and done. And by the way, the lashes that I'm wearing today are the e.l.f. Faux Mink, and these are in the style Drama Queen. They're so easy to apply and they're so beautiful. They make your eyes look so good, and they're just $5. Like $5. So inexpensive. There we go. I'm gonna add a little bit of something on the inner corner, and honestly, I would just say that's it. So I'm gonna go in with Cabana Time. Let's try this one out. This one here with the, what is this, ColourPop L1. I'm going to apply a little bit of that on the inner corner. Oh, nothing crazy. I am going to grab the Morphe M507 brush and going right back in with Sandbar. I'm just going to use that shade to apply it on the lower lash line because it just feels incomplete to me. I always apply a little shadow under there just to balance it out. I like this look. I like this. Very simple. I love everything. I love the way my skin looks. It looks really good. Like, I think I like this better than the ColourPop, to be honest with you. And I've been using that every day. So, I don't know, guys. Like, I'm really, really loving the way my skin looks. Wow. It looks very healthy. I'm, like, impressed for, like, $5? What? Very, very impressed, guys. Very, very impressed. I am going to add a little bit of mascara on the lower lashes. Alright, now for lips, you guys. I did pick up this here. I thought they were really cute. These are the Wet n Wild lipsticks. This one's a High Shine Brilliance, the white one. This one's in the shade Clothes Off. And this black one right here, the black packaging, is a matte, Megalass Matte, and this one's in the shade Never Nude. This one is the High Shine Brilliance. Ooh, that's pretty. Definitely me right there. You know me and my nudes. And this is the matte. One's more pinky, one's more peachy. Right? Kind of the same. Just, I guess, one's matte, one's shiny. I think I'm going to go with the shiny one. So I'm going to add a lip liner first. This one is the Makeup Revolution Satin Kiss Lip Liner in the shade Fling. Alright, so I am going to go in with this one, the white packaging. This has the shine. This one's in the shade Clothes Off. This is so comfortable on the lips, you guys. Oh my god. Alright guys, so that is it. I'm not even going to set my face because I don't feel like I need to set my face, but I mean, because I usually do, I'll do it. So I'm going to go in with this. This is the Revolution Conceal and Define Infinite Mattifying Longwear Makeup Fixing Spray 16-hour wear. So here we go. Alright, and that is it. So I do like it, you guys already know. Love the two things that I tried out. Well, actually the three things I tried out today. I like the primer. I like the way it feels. It's very cooling on the skin, and it's also probably what's making my skin look very like blurred and soft, and it looks good. So this, absolutely amazing. Definitely try this out. The shades might be a little depending on your skin tone, but try it out if you can find it. Mine again is in the shade medium tan, and I really do like the lipstick, so you already know. And that is it, you guys. Hopefully you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, you know what to do. Give this video a big thumbs up. Also, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you haven't yet, and I will see you guys on the next one. Bye.